Worked all week, got it all done. Let's make the Tennessee River run. Hey everybody, I think the time is right. Let's get together down where the catfish bite. Cooped up all winter, waiting on a day like this. It's the way I feel when I'm rocking on the water, baby, that I can't resist. Barbecue grill, summertime jam, just about a mile above the picnic dam. Party on the water, whole lot of fun. Time to make a Tennessee River run. Get my bass boat, crank up your party bars. We'll drop these anchors out where the big boats are. Break out a cooler, pass out some ice cold beer. Look at all the people out here on the water, man, I can't believe we're here. Swinging on a rope, gonna have a ball, jumping off a Yellow Creek waterfall. Checking out the honeys baking in the sun. God bless the Tennessee River run. Day. I just might call in, tell them that I can't get home. Does anybody else want to stay a little longer, or am I gonna be alone? Floating on a tube, gonna weigh a ton, Cajun sausage on a hot dog bun. Barbecue grill, summertime jam, just about a mile above the Pickwick Dam. Party on the water, whole lot of fun. Gotta have a Tennessee River run. Nothing like a Tennessee River run. I love a Tennessee River run. Whoop up the Tennessee River run.